What's up everybody, this is Prachi Shukla and welcome back to my channel. As the title suggests, today's video is going to be on 10 clothing hacks that can make your wardrobe work smoothly. Without any further wait ado, let's get started. So the first hack is turning your cute mini skirt into a tube top. So this hack works even completely fine with long skirt. Just add belt to your waist as an accessory and you're good to go. Hack number 2. So hack number 2 is actually a neatly folded sleeve hack. Usually what we tend to do is, what we do is just rumble it all up. Rather, what you can do is take it all the way till your elbow. Then you take the second half and fold it. There you have your neatly folded sleeves. Hack number 3. So hack number 3 is actually to fix these little gaps from your shirt. So you just take a two-way tape, put it in between the gap, and press it. And it's done. Hack number 4 is again to fix your low neckline with two-way tape. Just take the tape, stick it on your cleavage, another piece, just stick it here, wrap the top up, and it's done. Hack number 5 is to fix this issue of bar-out tops. For that you'll require 2 rubber bands and 4 safety pins. Make sure your rubber bands are big enough so that your arms can go through, and put those 2 safety pins in this manner. Stick the half in the front and the second pin at the back. And obviously you have to do it on both the sides. And there you are. The top does stay in place, no issues at all, and it's fixed. So the 6th hack is actually to make your plain chiffon or satin shorts look a bit fancier in that. What I'm doing is just buttoning it up in a different way. So taking the second last punched hole, I'm punching it into the first one, tucking the rest in. There you have a differently patterned shirt. Hack number 7 is actually to turn your plain old t-shirts into a fancy new crop top. Just take it all in front and tie a knot. There you have a new crop top. Okay, so 8th hack is actually to remove all these bubbles from your fabric. I'm not sure if तुमको bubbles दिख रहे हैं, but you can remove all these bubbles very easily with the razor. What you have to do is just raise those bubbles off and you will have a new fabric again. So hack number 9 is actually a ninja folds t-shirt hack. It's like, imagine you have 3 points. One is at the top, second one is at the between, and third one is at the bottom. Pinch the top and between points. Grab the third one. And there you have a perfectly folded t-shirt in less than 3 seconds. Now the next hack is to fix the loose zip of your pants. For that all you need is a key ring, and what you have to do is just pass the key ring from the zip. Secure it in your button, and there you are. It's done. I really hope you like the content of the video. Do like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also comment down below which was your favorite hack. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.